Hey, what's up YouTube? Inside Tech, and today we're going to show you how to simply remove and replace your disposal. First thing you want to do is go ahead and unplug the unit, keep it all safe. Next thing, the tools you're going to need, your basic flathead, Phillips head, and channel locks. First you're going to take this nut here and back off the second nut here. You might want a little bowl to catch the water. There's not much water in here at all. This will release the waste arm, so you can take this unit off. You can drop it down like that right there. Make a little bit of a mess, obviously. Second is take off this waste hose, and this is for the dishwasher right here. So back off that clamp and then take that off. Next thing you're going to do is pretty easy. You get yourself a long screwdriver and put it in one of these ears here on the collar, and you're going to turn it clockwise, and usually that'll drop. Sometimes you got to put two in there. I'm going to have to put two in there, and I can't do it with the camera in my hand, so I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so I backed off these collars, and this is going to drop down here after you turn this right here, this collar. Okay, and there you have it. Drops right down. You leave that collar on because most of the disposals are the same exact collar here. It'll come with a new gasket, and we're going to install this one here. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and remove these access panels so we can take off this wire grommet here and undo the wires, and we're going to transfer that over into this unit here. We're going to go ahead and install this wire grommet. All it does is screw in right here to the electrical bay on this unit. Let's get it straight in there. Just snug that up real quick. Pair of pliers. Okay. Next, we're going to install the cord. You're going to have to push that through here. It's best if you bend the wire a little bit in this fashion, and then you fish it through like that. Okay, here you can see got the wire nuts firmly in place, and make sure you have that ground wire snug. You can go ahead and tuck those in the electrical bay, just like that, no big deal. Go ahead and put your plate back on, like such. Make sure it falls within these little slots here. Keeps it in place. Go ahead and snug that up. Next, you're going to go ahead and tighten this wire grommet. Make sure the wire's within the parallel of the slot, so you don't crimp it too bad. Go ahead and snug that up. Doesn't got to be super tight, just enough to keep it in place is all that's there for. Okay, one thing to consider, if you have a dishwasher, you're going to have to knock out this plug that's in here, and that's pretty simple. You just take a screwdriver and you can tap that out. Very easy, and make sure you just go ahead and on the inside and pull out the plug. No big deal. Next, we're going to install the waste arm on the side of the unit. Okay, so we installed a grommet nice and flush on the side of the unit, and the waste arm looks like this. You just go ahead and put it right on top of that and snug that up with those screws there. Okay, so here you can see the unit is ready to install. Very simple. This is going to go back into the same place that the other one came out from. So you want to go ahead and put this in there and then turn it just a little bit, just enough to catch, and leave it loose so you can actually adjust your plumbing, okay? It's very simple. Go ahead and put your dishwasher waste arm back on there, waste hose, snug that up. Go ahead and put your P-trap back on there. Everything should line pretty much right up the way it came off, just like that. If not, you just turn it a little bit, and there you go. You snug those up. You go ahead and run your water, and go ahead and put your plug back in. Once you snug all these up, snug up your plumbing, and then hold this, turn these just to snug it up. Remember, you put your clamp on there from the dishwasher, snug that up, and you're good to go. That's all it is. It's very simple. This takes you basically 15 minutes. If you've done it a few times, if you haven't done it, probably take you half an hour max. Hope you enjoyed that video. Y'all have a great day.